Welcome to AlphaCars. This is Dimitri, and we are checking out 2014 BMW 335 xDrive. The best part of this vehicle is that it is a sport line with a manual 6-speed transmission. Yes, it does have 3 pedals right there. And because it's a 335 2014, it comes with 300 horsepower, legendary inline twin turbo engine. This vehicle is in amazing condition. We invite you to visit alphacars.com to learn more details. I drove this car for a few days and I could not stop driving it. It is so much fun. It is so much fun to drive with the manual transmission, with a crisp BMW shifter, with a BMW Sport Line suspension, sport seats, ergonomic interior, and check out this shifter. It is incredible. Let's get it started. Oops, here's the key. We actually have 2 keys for this vehicle. And we're gonna take a peek in the engine compartment. Oh, I forgot to do the second pull on the hood release. Yep. It sounds gorgeous, it looks gorgeous. It is going to be one of the most exciting drives for you and your family because it is a 4-door automobile. All season fun for you and 4 more passengers of your choice. And all of that while you're having fun and driving the manual transmission. Thank you for viewing this video from AlphaCars.